Welcome to Delft Stack. In today's tutorial, we will dive into how to delete non-empty directories directly from your terminal. If you are a beginner or an intermediate user, this tutorial is made for you. Let's get started. Here we have a folder named with some contents. Let's see what's inside it. Now, if we try to delete this directory using the rmdir command, we get an error message. To remove a non-empty directory, use the following command instead. Here we have included two flags, R for recursive and F for force. Press enter and you will see that we have successfully deleted a non-empty directory. We learned how to delete non-empty directories directly from your terminal. If you found this video helpful, check out our other videos on terminal basics and Linux command line tricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials from Delft Stack.